Hi everyone, welcome to SAP World. In this video we will learn how to post accrual and deferral documents in SAP. What is accruals and deferrals? Accruals and deferrals can help you allocate revenues and expenses to the right accounting period. They can also help you compare financial statements from different periods. For create accrual documents we need some GL accounts. For create GL master data T code FS00. Select expenses and select salary account. Account group expenses. Select P&L account. Short and long text salary account. In Control tab. Currency INR. Select only balances in local currency. Select line item display. Short key 001. Select Create Bank Interest tab. Field Status Group G001. Next select Current Assets. Select HDFC Bank. Select Account Group Current Assets. Select Balance Sheet Account. Short and long text HDFC Bank Account. Click on Control tab. Currency INR. Select only balances in local currency. Select line item display. Short key 001. Next select Create Bank Interest tab. Field Status Group G005. Next Current Liabilities. Select Outstanding Expenses. Select Account Group Current Liabilities. Select Balance Sheet Account. Short and long text is Outstanding Expenses. Next Control tab. Currency INR. Select only balances in local currency. Select Open Item Management. Select Line Item Display. Short key 001. Next Create Bank Interest tab. Field Status Group G001. What is Open Item Management? By selecting Open Item Management indicator in the master record for an account, the line items in this account is marked as open or cleared. The balance of an account with Open Item Management is equal to the balance of the open items. It would be control all outstandings, which will be received from customers and pay to vendors. By using this GL master data I am going to create accrual documents. Next define reversal reason for accrual documents. Go to SPRO. Click on SAP Reference IMG. Financial Accounting. General Ledger Accounting. Business Transactions. Adjustment Posting Reversals. Define reasons for reversal. Click on New Entry. Give reason in alpha or numeric. Enter text for reason. Select negative and alternative posting checkboxes. Click on Save. Next post accrual document T code FBS1. Select document date. Next posting date. Document type SA. Select posting period. Select reversal reason. Select reversal date. Posting key 40. Select salary account. Enter amount. Change value date. Enter text. Posting key 50. Select Outstanding Expenses account. Give star in amount field. Select business area. Change value date. Give plus in text field. Click on Save. Document 20 was posted in company code time. Go to Document. Click Display Document. What the use of posting accrual documents in SAP? I am posting salaries every month second for the previous month's salary. For the adjustment of previous month P&L account balance sheet, we posting accrual documents to clear that month-end activity. For that, in this document we have select document date and posting date 30/09/2023, and we select reversal posting date 01/10/2023. After completion of purpose of posting accrual, we will reverse the accrual document. Next, display open items T-code FBL3N. Select outstanding account. Select open items key date. Click on Execute. We can see here status in red color, it means it is an open item. Until we reverse this document, it's shown as an open item. For reverse accrual document T-code F.81. Select company code. Select document number range. Select fiscal year. Select document type. Select posting date. Select reverse posting date. Select test run and click on Execute. We can check documents before reversal using by test run. Click on back arrow. Remove test run. Click on Execute. Document 20 reversed with document number 3106. Next, display GL balances T-code FBL3N. Account 1601. Select cleared items. We can see here document 20 cleared with document 3106. There is no pending items. Select new session. Next, display reverse document T-code FB03. Select document number, click enter. In this document, posting keys are reversed. Salary account credited. Outstanding account debited. Next, post actual salary document T-code F-02. Select document date. Select posting date. Select salary account. Enter amount. Enter text. Posting key 50. Select HDFC bank account. Give star in amount field. Select value date. Give plus in text field. Select business area. Click on Save. Document 21 was posted in company code time. Go to Document. Select Display. This is actual document for salary paid. We can see the document preview and details of the document. Next, display GL balances T-code FBL3N. Change open items key date. Click on Execute. We can see the balance 25,000 for salary paid. Posting date 02/10/2023. In this video we have learnt how to create accrual document and how reverse accrual documents. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.